Ladies and gentlemen, question number 3. If x plus 4 squared equals to 8x minus 10 squared, then what is x? What x is equal to? So we have a lot of these questions that can be asked on the SAT test and other tests, of course, all right? So how do we deal with it? So the first thing we want to do is to be able to eliminate the square. And to eliminate the square, the power 2, we have to use the square root, okay? So we have to square root both sides of the equation. So that means what? That means we're doing x plus 4, square root of it, power 2, all right? And then we have 8x minus 10 square, and then we take square root of that. Okay, so what's happening here? So to do that, that means we want to get rid of the radical and then the power 2. So that means both can be crossed out. We end up with x plus 4. It is equal to what? So we crossed out also this one and the 2, then x minus 10. Now, what's going to happen is because you took the square root of both sides automatically, since we're solving for x plus 4 on the left side, we're going to take the other side plus and minus. Okay? So we're going to do it plus and minus, of this one here. So we're going to have to solve for 2 equations. All right? So that means what? That means we have x plus 4 equals to positive 8x minus 10 that we're going to solve for. Let's go for it. Okay, so let's cancel the x and then take it to the 8. All right, I'm doing that because I want to have a positive variable once we have the answer for the x. So that will give us what? 8x minus 1x, which is 7x minus 10. And as we're solving for x, we do positive 10 both sides. So we end up with 14 equals to 7x. Okay? And then we divide by 7 and 7. Then 14 divided by 7 equals to 2, right? So this implies that x is equal to positive 2. Okay? So very quickly, as if you're on the test, you're looking at your answers here. First one, A is equals to C, B is equals to 3, C equals to negative 9, D equals to 2/3, E equals to negative 2. You want to find out which one fits in here. Positive 2, do we have it here? No. So we continue. If we did have it, you check it out and then you keep moving. You don't even need to do the second one. So these are the tips that you can use when you're working on the SAT test preparation, okay? So let's go for it for the second one. So we said this is the plus and minus. So we're going to do the minus now. So that's x plus 4 equals to minus 8x minus 10. All right? And the minus is just the same thing as if you had an invisible one in front of it. So you got to get rid of the parentheses. And to do that, you multiply negative 1 by positive 8, which is negative 8x, and negative 1 times negative 10, which is positive 10. All right? So here we are with this one here. So we got to move the lowest variable to the largest one so that at the end, we end up with a positive, coefficient, okay, in front of the variable. That's the reason why we do that. So negative 8 is smaller than positive 1, so we cancel that one. So we have 9x plus 4 equals to 10. What are we solving for? X. Do not forget about that. So we got to do negative 4 both sides. So we end up with 9x equals to what? 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Okay? And then as we're solving for x, which is our target, we then have to divide both sides by 9 and 9. Okay? And then 6 over 9, which is a fraction here. So we got to reduce it whenever possible, because once you look at your answer there, do you have it here? No, I don't see 6 over 9. So what can we do is to reduce it, meaning what number can go into both of these numbers evenly? What number can go into 6 and 9 at the same time? It's 3. So dividing both top and bottom by 3. 3 goes into 6 3 times, and 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Okay, be careful. So x equals to 2/3. All right, so here we are. D is your right answer. Okay, so you take your time while you're learning, but now once you're ready and then you are getting ready for the preparation of the test, you got to go faster than this. Okay, all right, thank you.